a look at the front of your engine, this is the area where your serpentine belt is. You want to pay attention to the routing. There's going to be pulleys that the belt comes up and over, but there's also going to be smooth pulleys that the backing of the belt goes up against. So just take a quick note of that. We also have a sticker located on your coolant reservoir, which will essentially let you know exactly how the belt routing is supposed to be. Let's get our 3/8 drive inside here. We'll turn this counterclockwise a little bit. That relieves tension from the belt. Carefully go ahead and pull it right off. Now we'll relieve the tension here again, get our tool out of the way. Okay, so now that we have it off, let's just carefully take a look at that serpentine belt. Now you want to inspect the rib side here. We're looking for any dry rot or cracks. As you can tell on this particular belt, it should be replaced. This is in poor condition. For the purpose of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and set this aside. Just keep in mind that this one should be replaced. Let's come right down to this area here with a 15mm to remove the center bolt so we can remove our idler pulley. So now that we have this off of the engine, let's go ahead and continue taking this apart. This back washer right here just unscrews right off of the bolt. Now we can go ahead and grab onto this. We're going to push it on through and remove it. Now let's continue taking this apart as well. Set that aside. Now at this point, we're going to leave these two pieces together and we can grab our new pulley. With the pulley, you're going to find that it came with this adapter right here. For the adapter, we're going to come right in through the back. We'll press it in. We can take this bolt, slide it through, and now we can go ahead and put this on the vehicle. Let's go ahead and get it lined up into position here. We'll start our bolt in by hand, snug it up, and then we're going to torque this bolt to 35 foot-pounds. Now we're ready to start installing our belt on this. So generally what I like to do is just pretty much have it on as many pulleys as possible. Essentially, I just want to check to make sure I'm sitting inside all my grooves, so you can tell that you have grooves on some of your pulleys. That's where the grooves for your belt is going to be. Now that I've got it on the majority of the pulleys, I'll go ahead and turn this counterclockwise. Slide this right up and into position. Now we can release this, remove our tool, and now you just want to double check everything. Like I said before, you want to make sure that the belt is sitting inside all the grooves. If it seems like it's pushed off to one side, maybe sitting off of one of the pulleys, you could potentially cause some serious damage to your belt. So just double check everything, make sure it's sitting properly, and then we can move along. Okay friends, we got everything back together. What's left to do now? Now you're going to want to go ahead and start up the truck for approximately 5 seconds. Just let it run, and then we're going to turn it right back off. Get back under the hood here. We're going to double check that belt. You want to make sure that it's sitting on all the grooves properly. After that, take it for a road test.